Elevate your printing standards with the Epson SureColor P7330 and P9330. Powered by the advanced 10-color Ultra Chrome Pro 10 ink set, now with violet for an expanded color gamut. These printers deliver stunning gallery-quality results. In this video, we'll demonstrate how simple it is to replace the ink cartridge and maintenance box. First, let us take you through the steps to replace the ink sets. If one of the installed ink cartridges is expended, printing cannot be performed. When a maintenance error message prompting you to replace an ink cartridge is displayed on the control panel, press How To check the on-screen instructions while replacing an ink cartridge. You can access the ink compartment by opening the ink cartridge cover located on the sides of the machines. To ensure the best results and maintain your printer's performance, always use Epson Genuine ink. With the Epson SureColor P7330 and P9330, you can seamlessly switch between two ink cartridges in a single printer, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs based on your production needs. You can easily install new ink cartridges by following these steps. To begin, press How To. Take out the cartridge from its packaging. Do not touch these areas on the cartridge or you may damage it. Shake the ink cartridge for 10 seconds horizontally as shown here. Open the cartridge cover. Place your hand on the groove and pull out the ink cartridge. Firmly push the new ink cartridge all the way inside. Repeat this process for the other cartridges and close the ink cartridge cover. Replacing ink cartridges is completed. The printer will start charging the ink. Do not turn off the printer, load paper, or open any covers while the ink is charging to prevent ink wastage. Now, let us guide you through the steps to replace the maintenance box. You can easily locate the maintenance box at the rear of the printer. Only replace the maintenance box at the side, which is indicated on the maintenance error message found on the screen. Press the maintenance box button to view the on-screen instructions to perform the procedure. First, prepare the new maintenance box and attached bag. Do not touch the following section on the maintenance box. Move to the side of the printer. Pull out the maintenance box. Put the used maintenance box into the bag. Finally, insert the new maintenance box. Replacing maintenance box is completed. Maximize your workflow with fast, fuss-free consumable replacement. No complex steps, no downtime. Just smooth printing that keeps your business moving.